Hey there. Our agenda for this video is to learn how to effectively use accountability template on Notion app within 2 minutes. So paste the link in the WhatsApp here. So you'll open this kind of thing. Do this after you have downloaded and installed Notion app in your laptop. All if you have logged login in Notion app. If you have educational email, you will get plus subscription for free on this app. So once you open the link, you get to this page, click duplicate here, and this will get opened in your logged Notion space. Select add to private, and here underneath private you can see accountability template. Click on it. Here template thing is just for identification. Delete it. There's no need for this. And you can see a calendar view here. Since today is 20 August, you can see a red circle across 20. Select add items. Here you have three pre-made templates for daily, weekly, and monthly. Let's select the monthly first. Here you can see start date is 20 August 26. Select on this and toggle on end date and select here end of the month and click anywhere else. You will get this. Here are some of the things you can write, like what you do in career, personal aim for this month, and more. You can see the monthly target page has been spread from 20 August to 31 August. Next, you can have the same for weekly targets or in date. I prefer weekly target start from Monday and end on Sunday. As on Sunday night, you can set your agenda for the upcoming week. Since today is Thursday, so we'll select the end date till Sunday only. And here also we can jot down our agenda for the week. And you can see it get spread over the timeline. Next, you can have the same for daily target. Here, two things are unique in this template. First one, you can see here your to-do list for the day, or you can say a routine kind of thing. When you complete it, you can tick if you have completed the task. As you can see, the first block is for the sleep. As I have mentioned in the PDF that sleep should be the first thing in your routine. If you sleep on time, you'll have a good routine after you wake up. I have distributed the day into 6 or 7 blocks as you can see of 90 minutes each and have a buffer zone of 30 minutes. So if the task demands for more time, I can complete the task in this shocker buffer zone, and this is for refreshment too. So in morning for 1 hour my agenda is this. Since these are same for every day, I have fixed it same for every day. You don't need to type these two blocks. In the next block, like I want to complete Lachmikant, so I click here and then enter, and you can have the same for newspaper and then economics lecture 17 kind of thing. If that task does not complete in the stipulated 90 minute, you can type do here. Same task in continuity after a break, and then you can complete the day like this. You can see between 6 and 7 there is 1 hour gap. That is my time when I go for walking kind of thing. And here personal goals which I do daily, like push up, meditation for 10 minutes which I do. Sometimes I forget doing. In night I don't do this. So I should remove it, but I have typed it. So anyhow, active recall is very important. I do newspapers. And when you finish the day, you can write or do journaling here. Like whatever you write. I used to do journaling on diary, but due to privacy issues and it takes some more inertia to write down things on paper. Though I prefer on paper, but for time being, I'm have shifted journaling on this Notion app, and I found it pretty good. So here you have you are good to go. Also in calendar view, in feed view, you can select and you can see here what you have made, and there is table view too. If you don't want them, you can double click on them and select delete view kind of thing. This will delete that view only, your calendar view will be there as it is. One more thing important in daily target which I forgot to mention, you can see here productive session. Click on the productive session and write, for example, if you have worked for 8 hours, type 8. Here you have consistent block. You can select happy or won the day, sad, will do tomorrow better kind of thing. If you want, this is not compulsory, but this productive session is compulsory. It will draw a graph beneath this calendar view. Here, rather than choosing table, select chart, and you can see here there is 8 hour mark is here. It is not very visual as this is the first entry. If I do the second entry and select here, let us suppose I work for 7 hours and then go back, you can see. And as you do this for a number of days, this will form a good graph of your accomplishments. Let me show you my Notion page. Here is my Notion page. You can see this is template. Here it is in the accountability. You can see, and here is the graph which I am talking to. So I have tried to accommodate to-do list, journaling, and a productive graph in a template only. Hope this helps you. Have a nice day. If you have any query, message me.